Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to export your notes in Kilonotes to a PDF file. Open the app and choose your notes. And now click on the three dots on the right and you can find the export right here. Click on PDF and select the page range. You can click on some of them so that they will be not exported. Go back and export file. The only thing to do now is to choose where you would like to export this file. Let's suppose that I choose Drive. This is my location and save. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.